Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Our today's topic is subtraction. Listen carefully. Subtraction is the process of reducing or taking away the number of objects from a larger collection of objects.
Count the birds. There are 9 birds. 9 birds were flying together. One bird left them. How many birds are flying there all together now? 9 minus 1 is equal to 8. So 8 birds are flying together now. Thank you.
See you in the next lesson.